Good afternoon, everyone. Paul here from Prestige Boundary Options, and welcome to an important update in regards to Crypto Advantage. Today is Thursday, the 11th of January. And for today, guys, what we're going to be doing is reviewing some of my latest results from earlier today using Crypto Advantage and its automated features. But in addition, what I also want to focus on is some live trading. So if you're watching this video, guys, and you're interested in Crypto Advantage, you're going to see the software live in action. And most importantly, we will review the results at the very end of this video. But this is also a great video that you can use as a reference, guys, so that way when you can see the software live in action, you can also see how easy it is to use Crypto Advantage in order to generate profits online. So stay tuned, guys. You don't want to miss out. Now, of course, before we get started, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure, guys, check out all the information located down below in our video descriptions for additional information. So, guys, just in case if you're joining us for the first time today, this is actually our second update just from today alone. Now, earlier this morning, guys, we actually posted this video in regards to some profits that have been generated through using Crypto Advantage and following the automated signals as you see here on my screen. Now, this was actually a very important update that we shared this morning, guys, because in addition to going over some of our results from this morning, we also discussed a very important topic in regards to, what's been going on in the crypto markets. And to be more specific, guys, within the past few days alone, a lot of cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Bitcoin, which of course is the most popular, their values are dropping significantly just within the past few days. And we went over this little chart over here. I always like to use, GDAX.com as a reference for live trade values in comparison to the US dollar. So what we're looking at here, guys, is a time scale for the past 5 days. And you'll notice how the value of Bitcoin has declined significantly. And of course, this raises, certain questions. Is this good? Is this bad? And basically what I was making a point of in our video from this morning during this topic is the fact that Crypto Advantage, being that it's an automated trading software, what it does is it specializes in these movements. So if we look at this from a shorter time period, all right, now we are looking at the value of Bitcoin versus the US dollar every single hour. And you'll notice, guys, how there are constantly these up and downward movements. At one point, there are some upward trends happening. And then, of course, we also have the downward trends as well. The benefit of using Crypto Advantage, guys, is that it helps you pinpoint these activities. And in return, it provides you with signals, as you see here. And all you have to do is choose your trade value and you click the trade button. That is it, guys. And that is the simplicity of using Crypto Advantage. It is so simple and easy to use. And of course, we're going to do a live trading demonstration in just a moment. But again, guys, regardless of the fact that, some cryptocurrencies are crashing a little bit, they're declining in value. If we go to our broker over here, you'll notice if we scroll down below, these were the results generated from this morning. And regardless of the fact that Bitcoin has declined quite a bit, notice the profits, guys. Look at the results. And from these trades alone, we made over $400 in pure profits. And again, this is all just by the assistance of using Crypto Advantage. Now, before we actually get started with the live trades, guys, I do want to remind you guys that, first off, if you are interested in seeing any of our latest trading updates and live videos in regards to Crypto Advantage, you can click the icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen and watch any of our previous videos anytime that you want. And the second reminder I want to bring to your attention, guys, is that Crypto Advantage is available for most countries, but not all of them. So if you're interested in Crypto Advantage, but for whatever reason you're having trouble or difficulty opening your own account, please email me directly at prestigeboundary@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to send you easy tips that you can use so that way you can open and join Crypto Advantage as well. So let's get to it, guys. Let's do some live trades. Now, let me just clarify, guys, that Crypto Advantage is an automated trading software, and I've stressed out the fact that when you use Crypto Advantage, you trade through the software. You do not manually trade into your connected broker. You can manually trade by following the signals if you'd like to, but just remember, guys, that when it comes to any type of manual trading, it is important that you apply a specific strategy. And these strategies are very important in order for you to pinpoint the accurate expiration time. If you do not do this correctly, then you just put yourself at risk. So that is why it is just easiest to use Crypto Advantage as a it is. It's an automated trading software, and you just trade through the signals. And it's so simple, guys, because all you have to do is type in your trade value, you click the trade button, and that's it. Now, when we do this, guys, you are going to be redirected to your connected broker in connection with your Crypto Advantage account. This is the normal process, guys. This happens all the time. However, you will notice that if you were to scroll down and you check your account, that trade, any trade that you choose through Crypto Advantage, will be implemented directly into your broker account. So for this demonstration, guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin value as another example. In this case, we're going to do a $100 trade. So again, remember, guys, do not forget to type in your trade value. And once you do this, guys, you choose a signal, you choose your trade value, you just click the trade button. So here we go. Okay, perfect. So as you see, we have now been automatically redirected to our broker account. But notice, guys, how we look at the bottom in our open position section. We can see that Bitcoin transaction has been implemented into our account for a put position, and it will expire at 2300 GMT. So remember, guys, because of the automation provided by Crypto Advantage, when you choose the software, when you choose the signal, the software does the rest of the work for you, implements the trade, and chooses an expiration suitable depending on current market conditions. So since we still have about 30 minutes until this trade expires, this trade will continue to remain open, the price will fluctuate, and hopefully we will hit our targeted direction for a put trade. But in the meantime, guys, I mean, as you see, it is that simple and easy to use Crypto Advantage, and it's all done just by using the software itself and its automated signals. So in the meantime, guys, what we're going to do is just quickly pause this video, and then we will return within Crypto Advantage in our connected broker, and we'll take a look at the results. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we are back. The time is up, so we can log back into our Crypto Advantage account and let's review the results of that Bitcoin trade. Now, of course, if you'll notice from our account balance in comparison to what it was before, we do have a slight increase, which of course indicates that we had a profitable transaction. So let's just scroll down and let's confirm the results. And I always recommend that you do this, guys. Whenever you're using any type of trading software, whether it's Crypto Advantage or whatever you're using, guys, always check in with your connected broker account and just confirm that everything that happens within your trading software is registered properly in your connected broker. So here we have that last Bitcoin trade that we had made for a put position, and as you can see, it was a successful trade with a $100 investment, and in return we made a $62 payout. So once again, guys, you know, Crypto Advantage did a fantastic job in placing a correct signal. Now, I do want to point out something, guys, and I know that this is a question that some people have asked me, so let me just clarify that if we go back to our Crypto Advantage app and we look at the signals, you'll notice how the signal itself for Bitcoin is for a call position. Yet, when we go to our broker here, the position ended up being a put. So let me just clarify what happens here, guys. Now, according to Crypto Advantage, the overall trend for that moment was for a call position, hence the signal for a call trade. However, as I've explained in my many videos, and as you may know, is that the prices and values of these assets are constantly going up and going down every single second of every single day. So there are some points during the moment that you are trading where there might be a slight reversal. Even if the overall trend might be going up or down, it could reverse into the opposite direction. So in this occasion, when we clicked the trade button through the Crypto Advantage signal, it placed that trade into our connected broker, but it also predicted that it was best to place a put trade for this time period to end at 23 GMT, and as a result, we ended up making another additional profit. So I hope that makes some sense, guys, and of course, I hope that you found this video and my live demonstration helpful to give you a better understanding as to how easy it is to use Crypto Advantage to your own benefit. Now, of course, don't forget, guys, that if you want to see any of our previous live video updates, you can click the icon on the top right-hand corner of this screen, and if you're interested in joining Crypto Advantage, check out all the information down below in our video description. Click the link, get your own free copy, and start profiting with it today. If you have any questions, comments on my videos, or email me directly at prestigeboundary@gmail.com. And don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. That way you get notifications on all of our future updates. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my latest Crypto Advantage live trading update and its results. So have a great evening, guys, and I'll see you next time.